some Reynolds freezer paper with plastic coating. Tear off a square. Cut it into triangles. Hold the triangle with the wax side up. And then fold until all three sides meet. You have a cone. Some Scotch tape. Tape the inside. Tape the outside. Still have a cone. Have your tip. I flatten the cone. Cut an angled piece. Unflatten the cone. And drop in the tip. Actually needs to be a little bit bigger. Always make sure you start a little smaller than you think it needs to be, because you can always make it a little bigger. You can't make it smaller. There we go. Drop it in. Use something to push it down a little bit so that it fits snugly. Tape around it. At this point, you can drop your frosting in, and then you just close the top of the bag. You have a frosting bag made from scratch.